Question number 1. Who among the following was one of the Navaratnas of Chandragupta II and is known for his famous work Abhinjana Shakuntalam? Correct answer is option B. Kalidasa. Question number 2. Which fundamental right is enshrined in Article 14 to 18 of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option C. Right to equality. Question number 3. Under which article of the Indian Constitution does the President receive advice from the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister? Correct answer is option B. Article 74. Question number 4. In which region is canal irrigation most suitable and effectively used in India? Correct answer is option B. Alluvial plains of perennial rivers. Question number 5. Who is the author of the book Tirukkural? Correct answer is option B. Thiruvalluvar. Question number 6. Which article of the Constitution directs the state to secure a social order for the promotion of the welfare of the people? Correct answer is option B. Article 38. Question number 7. By which Constitutional Amendment Act was the maximum strength of the Legislative Council in a state increased from 1/4 to 1/3 of the total strength of the Legislative Assembly as per Article 171? Correct answer is option B. 7th Constitutional Amendment Act 1956. Question number 8. According to recent global reports, India ranks 3rd in the world in the generation of which renewable energy source? Correct answer is option B. Solar energy. Question number 9. How many functional items or subjects are assigned to panchayats under the 11th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option C. 29 subjects. Question number 10. Who founded the Congress Socialist Party within the Congress? Correct answer is option B. Acharya Narendra Deva and Jayaprakash Narayan. Question number 11. Which article of the Indian Constitution states that there shall be a High Court for each state? Correct answer is option B. Article 214. Question number 12. When an aqueous solution of barium chloride reacts with an aqueous solution of sodium sulfate, it is an example of which type of reaction? Correct answer is option D. Double displacement reaction. Question number 13. Which country won the maximum number of gold medals at the 2025 WWF World Championships? Correct answer is option C. China. Question number 14. According to the RBI Monetary Policy Committee meeting projection, what was the projected CPI inflation rate for India for the financial year before recent external shocks? Correct answer is option C. 4.6%. Question number 15. In computer terminology, what is the full form of CD? Correct answer is option B. Compact disc. Question number 16. In which famous Shakti Peetha located in Guwahati, Assam, the Ambubaji Mela is held every year? Correct answer is option B. Kamakya Temple. Question number 17. Which of the following is a rabi crop? Correct answer is option B. Wheat. Question number 18. Where does the monsoon that brings rain to Kerala and other parts of South India during the end of the year, October to December, originate from? Correct answer is option B, northeast. Question number 19. Why does iron displace copper when an iron nail is placed in a copper sulfate solution? Correct answer is option B. Iron is more reactive than copper. Question number 20. Which monsoon branch causes most of the rainfall in the western coastal plain of India? Correct answer is option A. Southwest monsoon. Question number 21. Who is the author of the book Chitralega? Correct answer is option B. Bhagavati Charan Verma. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.